I recently dove deep into the world of yogurt because, let's face it, not all yogurts are created equal. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking to boost your gut health, you're in the right place. Stick around as I share my top 5 picks for the best yogurts that'll keep your gut happy.
Product number 1. Chobani Non-Fat Plain Greek Yogurt. I first tried Chobani Non-Fat Plain Greek Yogurt, and let me tell you, this yogurt changed my breakfast game. When I first opened the tub, I was greeted by a rich, thick texture that promised a creamy experience. With at least 19 grams of protein per serving, it kept me feeling full for hours. The fact that it's made from natural, non-GMO ingredients made me feel good about what I was putting into my body. I used it in smoothies, on top of granola, and even as a savory base for sauces. The versatility of this yogurt is unbeatable. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Chobani's yogurt is not just thick and creamy, it contains live and active cultures that are essential for gut health. It's also gluten-free and kosher, which is a bonus for those with dietary restrictions. However, the plain flavor might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer sweeter options. You might need to add honey or fruit to elevate the taste. So, why should you buy Chobani? If you want a yogurt that packs a protein punch and supports your digestive health with live cultures, this is the one. It's perfect for cooking or just enjoying straight from the tub, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to improve their gut health.
Product number 2. Siggi's Icelandic Strained Non-Fat Yogurt. Next up is Siggi's Icelandic Strained Non-Fat Yogurt. Right from the first spoonful, I could tell this was something special. The yogurt was unbelievably thick and creamy, with a texture that made it feel indulgent. With 19 grams of protein and less sugar than most yogurts, it was a guilt-free snack that kept me satisfied. I often found myself reaching for this after a workout or as a midday pick-me-up. The pros of Siggi's are hard to ignore. The simple, natural ingredients align with my health-conscious lifestyle, and the absence of artificial sweeteners meant I was getting a product that was good for me. Plus, the 4 times amount of milk used in each serving means I got a yogurt that felt like an indulgence without the guilt. On the downside, if you prefer flavored yogurts, the plain version might leave you wanting a bit more excitement in your bowl. Why buy Siggi's? If you're on the hunt for a high-protein yogurt that's not overloaded with sugar, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who appreciate minimalist ingredients and maximum flavor in their yogurt. Product number 3. Stonyfield Organic Whole Milk Probiotic Yogurt. Stonyfield Organic Whole Milk Probiotic Yogurt was another standout for me. When I opened the container, the rich aroma of whole milk instantly hit me. This yogurt is packed with billions of probiotics, which I hoped would do wonders for my digestion. I enjoyed this yogurt as a base for smoothies and in baked goods, and I loved how it added creaminess without overwhelming sweetness. The benefits of Stonyfield are plenty. It's made from milk sourced from pasture-raised cows, and being USDA organic and non-GMO project verified gave me peace of mind. The live cultures are a fantastic addition, promoting gut health with every spoonful. However, the whole milk version is richer in calories, so those watching their intake might need to keep this in mind. Why should you buy Stonyfield? If you want a yogurt that's wholesome and supports both your gut and overall health, this is a solid choice. It's versatile enough for cooking, snacking, and even for kids, making it a family-friendly option. Product number 4. Chobani Low-Fat Vanilla Greek Yogurt. Chobani Low-Fat Vanilla Greek Yogurt was a delightful surprise. The mixed berry on the bottom added a refreshing twist to the creamy Greek yogurt. I found myself enjoying it not just for breakfast, but also as a sweet treat in the afternoon. The balance of flavors was perfect, with the tartness of the yogurt complementing the sweetness of the berries. The pros of this yogurt are its high protein content and the fact that it contains live and active colors. The convenience of the mixed berry layer made it easy to eat on the go. However, if you're looking for a completely plain yogurt for cooking, this might not be your best bet. The added sugar from the vanilla flavor could be a drawback for some health aficionados. So why buy this Chobani yogurt? If you want a delicious, protein-packed snack that satisfies your sweet tooth without compromising on gut health, this yogurt is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who want something a little sweeter while still being mindful of their health. Product number 5. Noosa Yogurt Lemon. Finally, I had to include Noosa Yogurt Lemon in my top 5. This yogurt was like a burst of sunshine in a tub. The tangy lemon curd mixed with the creamy whole milk yogurt was a match made in heaven. I enjoyed it as a refreshing snack, and it also worked wonders in my smoothie bowls. With 11 grams of protein, it kept me feeling satisfied while delivering an unbelievable flavor. The pros of Noosa are clear. It's made with high-quality ingredients, including fresh lemon curd and wildflower honey, which adds a delightful sweetness. It's gluten-free and packed with live and active cultures, making it a great option for gut health. However, if you're not a fan of tart flavors, this yogurt might not be your cup of tea. Why should you buy Noosa? If you're looking for something unique and flavorful that also supports your gut health, this yogurt is a must-try. It's perfect for those who crave a tangy, refreshing snack that feels indulgent yet healthy. So there you have it, my top 5 picks for yogurts that not only taste great, but also support your gut health. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's high protein, live cultures, or delicious flavors. Trust me, your gut will thank you for choosing any of these fantastic yogurts.